This is why your flight might be delayed today. The India-Pakistan conflict has taken to the skies. Here's the situation. India and Pakistan are in their worst conflict in over 2 decades. Pakistan claims to have downed 5 Indian fighter jets. As a result, airspace over northwestern India and all of Pakistan is largely empty of civilian aircraft. Airlines are reacting swiftly. EVA Air has rerouted its Europe-bound flights while China Airlines cancelled its Taoyuan to London route. Korean air flights to Dubai are now taking a southern detour. Thai Airways, Vietnam Airlines, Lufthansa, Air France, and British Airways are all rerouting to avoid the conflict zone. Qatar Airways has halted flights into Pakistan entirely. Even Indian carriers like Air India and Indigo are facing significant disruptions and potential losses. Flights between Europe, the Middle East, and Asia are now up to 100 minutes longer, increasing fuel costs. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.